Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy 5-a-day smoothie. And now this is just one of multiple 5-a-day smoothie recipes that I have, but this is quite interesting. I'm also going to share some interesting facts about one of the ingredients that I will be using. So stick around to the end of the video. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes to make the smoothie. So it's nice and easy to do. It's healthy. Let's go straight into the video. These are the ingredients of how to make one of my healthy 5-a-day smoothie recipes. This is just one of the recipes that I use. I have multiple 5-a-day recipes, so this is just one of them. Now I have here a honeydew melon, an orange, a mango, ginger, and some ripe bananas. Along with the fruits, I'm going to use just a bit of water. I'll just put it aside, and I'm also going to use some ice in the smoothie. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just put this is the jug. I'm going to blend everything in. So I'm just going to peel the banana. Just break it up into small pieces. Right, this is my mango. I'm just gonna slice the mango. And this mango is well ripe, so it's very juicy. You can see. In the interest of time, I've peeled a small piece of the ginger. This ginger is very hot. Cut it into 3 small pieces. I'm just gonna drop it in the jug as well. This is a honeydew melon, so I'm gonna get a nice slice out of this. All the fruits now in the jug except the orange. Now, if you remember at the start of my video, I did mention that I'm gonna tell you some facts about one of the ingredients I'm gonna use. Now, orange. This is an orange. I've peeled and removed the rind from the orange. Now, this white bit of the orange is called pith. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Now, most people, when they eat an orange, they would have been the pith. So let me cut this so you can see. So this white bit, you'd have just eat the compartment bit in the orange, or what we call a peg, and then throw the rest. Now this bit here is quite healthy, and we should be consuming it, to be honest. And I'll give you some interesting facts about the pith. Pith has calcium, it has fiber, it has vitamin C, and it's a boosting flavonoids. So never throw your pith away, and the fact that you consume it in a smoothie is even good because you're not going to really taste it. I know that it can have a bitter taste at times, so remember, this pith is very healthy for you to consume as well. So I'm just going to cut this now into 4 pieces, and then I'm going to put it in the jug. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, add the ice today, and I'm also going to add some water. Now the secret of making a good smoothie is not to add a lot of water, so I'm just adding a small amount of water. I think that is enough. Blend this together. There you have it. This is done. No, this is just fruits on its own with some ice and water. No sugar, nothing, no sweetener, nothing. So I'm gonna put some in a glass. Wow, this looks absolutely lovely. Look at the color of the drink. As you see, it was a nice, quick, easy video to follow. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself, hit that subscribe button, share some love and subscribe to my channel. I really need some support. Thanks for watching.